Hello guys, and welcome to JD's Kitchen. Today I'm excited to bring you guys this delicious egusi stew recipe. Once you try out this recipe, I don't think you're ever going to cook your egusi any other way. So our ingredients, we need chicken because I'm going to make egusi chicken stew. So I spiced my chicken 2 days ago. And then we need chicken stock or chicken broth. I put it in the freezer from chicken that I made a couple of weeks back, so I had it in the freezer. We're going to use some sliced onion, some vegetable oil, whatever oil you prefer. Some people even use red oil. And then this is our egusi, which is the star of the dish. Pumpkin seeds. Also, you're going to need some seasoning cubes and salt. I would only add this after I have put in all my chicken stock, and then it boils and I decide that I see that it's not enough. Then I'm going to add some cubes, maybe 1 or 2. And then we also have some chopped spring onions and parsley. We have some blended garlic and ginger, and then some crayfish for extra flavor. And then we're also going to be using some pepper, some white pepper, and some bush pepper. Okay, so that's it for all our ingredients. Now we are going to go straight into the process of cooking. So I put my chicken on the fire so that it can boil, and then once my chicken is ready, I go ahead to blend my egusi and I combine it with the stock I showed you guys earlier. And then I take out the chicken from the pot. Because I boiled the chicken, it has produced some more chicken stock. I'm going to use that. I'm going to add the egusi and the other frozen chicken stock you guys saw earlier. So I'm going to put all of that. Reason why I'm not going to add any salt or seasoning cubes at this point, because we have a rich base for our egusi stew. Okay, so I allowed it to boil a bit, and then I went in with white pepper, bush pepper, and some pepper. That pepper is actually not, it was actually not hot because this egusi sauce is already finished. We just have a little bit left in the freezer. Now I'm going to pan fry my chicken just a little bit. Okay, I'm not going to deep fry, I'm just going to do shallow frying. Now my egusi is boiling and my chicken is also on the fire. So you can see me adding I think I added 2 seasoning cubes and then the salt that you saw on the tray. And that's because the egusi had time to boil. I had mixed it, and then I could go ahead now to taste it, and I saw okay, I needed to add some seasoning cubes, and I went in at the same time to add some blended garlic and ginger. I didn't use all because our stock at the beginning was so rich. Now I go ahead to add that blended crayfish for some more flavor. You guys, this egusi stew was so delicious. My children enjoyed it, my husband enjoyed it, I enjoyed it. It was amazing. You want to go ahead and try this recipe. You guys, you can see that there are some particles of chicken inside. Like when I lift it up, I'm sure you can see that there's some small particles of chicken, because obviously when you boil your chicken, some particles fall off and they stay in the stock. So that's what you're seeing when I'm turning the egusi like this. This is a whole pot of deliciousness. So 30 minutes later, my egusi is ready, and I go ahead to add onions. I add the chopped green spices, and then I go ahead to put in my chicken, and I'm going to add some oil at this point, and then I'm going to mix up everything together. Oh my god, oh my god. And voila, you guys, our egusi stew is ready. At this point, after adding your onions and your green herbs, you don't want to leave the egusi on the fire. You don't want to leave your pot boiling for too long after you've added everything. You guys can see that I mixed it up, and then I went in with some more green spices. Okay, and yeah, that's it. The food is ready. You can eat this with bobolo, with miyondo, with yam. What do you think I ate this egusi stew with? Leave it in the comment section. What do you think we had this with? You're going to see it in a minute, but drop a comment first. What do you think we ate this egusi stew with? Leave it in the comment section. Try out this recipe, come back and tell me how it turned out. Come back and tell me how your family members enjoyed it. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next one. I went in with some more oil, you guys, oil. oil, a lot of oil. I went in with more oil, and yeah, that's it for our meal. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and what video would you like to see? Leave suggestions down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.